millions of New Jersey residents, public transportation is their primary mode of travel. With that comes conditions like spilled food and beverages, mud, snow, and ice tracked into stations, buses, and trains, and other hazards that transportation operations workers are constantly trying to address. As a result, the inevitable can happen. People slip and fall, become injured, and rack up medical bills. Visitor status and liability. In the case of a fall injury on public transportation, your visitor status will likely be a business invitee, which means that you had legal permission to be on the property because public transportation entities are open to the public for business. Therefore, it's the property owner or manager's duty to ensure that dangerous hazards are repaired in a timely manner and visitors are warned of any hidden defects that may cause injury. This is usually done by putting up signs, cones, and other signage or announcements to warn people. Making a claim against a public transportation entity. Public transportation companies are usually state or municipal agencies, and the state, local governments, and public agencies have allowed special state laws, often called the State Tort Claims Acts, to apply to them. For example, you must follow specific rules and guidelines to begin your claim, which are generally very different from a claim against a private party. You also must file your claim in a timely manner. Lawsuits against the government generally have strict time periods in which you must take action on a matter. The Tort Claims Act in New Jersey requires you to give notice of a claim within 90 days to the public agency you believe to be at fault. If you miss this deadline, you will be barred from taking action forever. Once you do give this notice properly, you have 2 years from that date to file a lawsuit. In addition, you cannot start a lawsuit for 6 months from the date you issue a tort claim notice to the proper agency. A notice must be in writing and submitted to the correct agency. It's crucial that you make your claim to the correct agency or your claim may be dismissed as a whole. Even if you accidentally send the notice to the agency just a block away from the correct one, it will more than likely be completely dismissed. As you can see, raising an issue or a claim with a public transportation agency can often be intimidating and complicated. This is because you are essentially going up against an entity either owned or backed by the state. To secure the compensation you justly deserve, you will need the support of a highly competent and determined legal team like the one here at Rosenblum Law. We have decades of litigation experience and unrivaled legal expertise to ensure you get the best possible chance to recover and move on with your life. If you or a loved one have been injured in a slip and fall on public transportation, don't hesitate to take the crucial first step on the road to recovery and give us a call today.